Hi everyone, this is Michelle Troutman with another classy business writing tip on email marketing trends. To see more of my videos in your feed, hit the subscribe button. And to create business marketing emails faster, get my easy 5-step e-newsletter template. See the link in the video description. What is email personalization? It lets you use data to tailor messages to each subscriber based on their interests and behaviors. A lot of businesses think of it as adding subscribers' names to email headlines or in the salutation or segmenting their lists by audience, but it goes beyond that, diving into the body of emails. Let's learn how you can cash in on this customer-focused content through personalization. Can you tell I love alliteration? Amazon, Starbucks, and other vendors have used predictive personalization based on customers' locations and other data to forecast content or products that appeal to them. One way they do this is through analyzing customers' past purchases and where they bought them from. For example, a sporting goods store emails a discount on a parka to a customer who lives nearby and recently bought thermal insulated gloves. It might not truly be psychic, but predictive personalization can make good guesses about what can appeal to customers. You've probably seen this in emails or at websites that sell products that show items other customers also bought to influence you to buy. In marketing psychology terms, we tend to look at what other people do, which can influence our own actions as a form of social proof. As we covered in the last video, the Google Framework AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, also enables personalization through collecting data from surveys, forms, and other content directly in an email. Have you used email personalization? Let me know in the comments. Another trend that affects how people engage with your emails is accessibility. In the next video, we'll cover a few tips and tricks for making your emails easier to read for everyone. That's all for now. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to Classy Business Writing Tips, and feel free to like and share this video. And to save time and stress less over your emails, get my easy 5-step e-newsletter template. See the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.